Hi everyone, it's Daisy from Lorenis, and today we're painting some fun, happy doodles with Archer and Olive. I start off with a pencil sketch, and you can find a free printable of this in the blog linked below. I then go in with a layer of watercolors. Don't worry if it's not perfect or if it's a bit messy. We're just really having fun with it and just relaxing. It'll look a lot better when we add pencils later on as well. When I'm feeling a bit stuck in my art, or I just need a happy pick-me-up, I go into my sketchbook and paint little doodles like this. Some of my favorite things to paint are animals with silly faces, flowers, rainbows, and any other colorful things. It's really a fun, no pressure exercise, and I encourage you to doodle some things that make you happy as well. How pretty is this glittery watercolor paint by Archer and Olive? It's so nice. I love trying new paints, it's so fun. And you can use my code Lorenis10 for 10% off all Archer and Olive products if you want to give it a go as well. After the watercolor layer fully dries, I then go in with color pencils to outline the doodles and fill in any details such as the cute little faces. I go into a lot more detail in my blog post linked below, including a step-by-step with photos and tips for using watercolor paints for beginners. Here's the finished piece. I had a lot of fun with it and I hope you try it too.